Hi, in today's video, I will share with you how to create no, I actually share with you, I don't know what to say. Alright, so we can see that there's two KPI, right? So there's a revenue and there's a cost. Well, basically, let's just look at the first thing, right, which is the table itself, right? So basically, I have a very simple table. It's a date column, revenue and cost, and scenario. So and then I also created a table, a calendar by using the calendar auto. Then I also link it up together. So as you can see right here, um, so basically it's here, right? So it's a table here, and now the whole idea is this, right? That uh, when I select this, the AC stands for actual, and this is actual filter. And when I select January, I want to look at the revenue. Well, it'll give me 109. And I select cost, it give me 31. Now, however, this is not always the case, right? Because that, um, why is it giving 109? Is because that, look at the data view first, right? So sales here. Now, 109 is because that it's it's all appear in the January, but the thing is that the revenue is actually one is from the actual scenario, the other is actually from the plan, right? Plan for 53, actually we get 56 million. So that's why it combined both of them, right? So what is this? This is actually a selected value, a measure that based on the slicer here, right? It can change, right? You see that here? It changed. So cost 31, but why is it 31 again, right? Let's come back to here, right? That's 31 is because that 13 plus 18, right? Negative, right? So that's why it's 31. Now, if we look at this here at the bottom, this is the actual, right? So actual, why is that actual? Because here is that I actually use the uh, a filter function, right? The filter function, right, will always get the actual what based on whatever selected here, right? So if it's the revenue, the actual is 56. So it looks like it here again, right? So the actual for January is 56. You see here, it's 56. Um, um, but if it's cost, it's 13, right? So 13 is the cost right here. So um, so over here, it does not consider what scenario. Over here, it will always be actual. Now, if I go to the next step, is that I want to consider a year-to-date, right? Year-to-date measure. So a year-to-date measure, right? Look at that, it's still 13, and if I click on April, well, it seems like it's a change, right? See here, if it's 15, well, actually, yes, it's actual, it's really 15, but when it comes to year-to-date, for the cause itself, right? For the actual, it's going to be 28. Why? Because look at that here. So for February and January, right, see here, it's 20, 13 plus 15 is really 28. And up to May, year to date up to May, 74, right? Or maybe I'll just go for March, right? So it's 42, right? So if it individually is on the month itself, right, is 14. On the March itself, on March, actual is 14. But if you calculate these 3 months, right, up to this March, right, it is really 42. So how do I do about this? So first is that I have the here selected, and I have a selected value switch here, and this is the selected value. But let's go step one. First I explain this one here, then after that I'll go to the select period. And then I also have the actual filter, which using the filter text function, and then over here, that's one here. All right, so this is my first recording. I'll improve it, and I spent an hour and also the past few months, right, to study that. So yeah, so you find that it's hard to understand. It is understandable, and that's why I will design it step by step, right? For now, I just record it. Um, for my own usage and for those who find that well whether I know the things that I know, right? So yeah, you got to know this, right? Yeah, and maybe it's give you some ideas, some right. There's a simple way that to understand this. I'm working on something that is more simple to help you understand, to help my student understand, right? So thanks for watching. So today is 1st of May 2023, is a Labor Day, right? Thank you, right? So Labor Day, um, I also work.